Hi, I'm Serena. This is Jason. We both have full-time jobs, neither of us travel for work, and we always dreamed of seeing the world. I think we're a typical American family, but we have a passion for traveling. I hope our channel shows you that traveling with kids and juggling life is possible and so worth it. In the morning, we're going ATVing through the jungle. Then we'll have lunch as part of our package. Then we'll go rappelling down waterfalls this afternoon. He's a slob.
I'm sorry. She told me to do it.
Oh, you're so mean. I said,
It's like you want.
oh, there he goes again. You guys excited?
Yeah, I am.
Woo! Yeah! Part of the ATV tour is stopping at a replica hut of the indigenous people, the Meliku. We sampled some pineapple juice.
See, coffee?
We learned some Meliku, the native language of the Meliku. They are working hard to protect their language as there are only about 300 speakers of it. We learned about their instruments, their uses, and even got to try them. Their economy is based on indigenous art, and many tourists are welcome to watch them perform musical pieces in nearby La Fortuna.
Perfect. What do we say, kiddo? No, what do we say?
Nice job. This would have been so much better if it wasn't raining. I couldn't see very well and had to keep wiping the water out of my eyes. If you saw our day 2 video, you know that driving a car in Costa Rica stresses me out. So being on the open road with an ATV had me way over the edge. It was smoother and faster on the road, of course, but I felt like we were on the road for a long time, and I actually stopped recording because it was uneventful. Riding through the jungle was really fun, and Jason loved it, so that's all that matters.
We're in the rainforest! Come here, Lily! Nope, Lily is not having it.
Oh, look at that.
That was great. Ooh, you guys have some pineapple?
Okay.
Oh, gracias. Mmm.
Are you yawning?
Next, we headed to Pure Trek Canyoning, which is who we booked our entire tour with, and they partnered with Outback ATV Tours for the first part.
Daddy, what's this?
Rice. Big mountain of rice.
Lunch was amazing. Papaya pineapple juice, salad, and of course, rice and beans, the staple of Costa Rica. Yep, that's Lily bawling her eyes out. Before I defend myself, let's go back to our trip to Maine about 6 months ago.
I want to feel like what it's like to fall from a very high height. Experience that I would like to take.
Lily actually wanted to go ziplining, but Jason is scared of heights and said no way. So we compromised on rappelling down waterfalls. Lily has a very small comfort zone and will cry when she's forced outside of it. She wants to do this, she's just really scared, which is not a bad thing. Actually, Clara's fearlessness is what really scares me.
But we're gonna get ice cream tonight, okay? It's gonna be so worth it. We're gonna get ice cream later, okay? You guys be brave and try it? Yeah?
I'm a 5-year-old.
It's not scary, it's not scary.
¡Es divertido!
Come on, come on.
Now sit down, please.
Sit down? Okay.
Yeah. We hold you here.
Okay.
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Your head. There we go. Come on, let's loose.
Oh, that wasn't so bad. You just jumped. Woo!
Did I mention that this is a 180-foot waterfall? And right now, I can't see Clara. I see my husband. I seriously thought that he left her at the top, but he told me later that she went first, then he went, and they are actually rappelling next to each other. She's just going down a lot slower.
I'm so proud of you. You did great. Bubbles, how was it? Was it good? Honey?
I didn't really spring off.
Yeah.
After the monkey trap, can I go potty?
When you fall in the water, go pee.
There's nowhere to go
There's
potty.
nowhere to go potty. If you fall in the water bubble, just pee when you're down
You're
there.
in the jungle. There's nowhere to go potty. Yeah! Dug right in there.
This is a monkey drop. It is 70 feet, and for the grown-ups, you drop. But for the kids, they let them down slowly. In the end, we all land in a nice little pool of water, which no, Clara did not pee in.
I know. How was it? Here, take this. Come here, Clara.
I know, you know what? It's perfect because you're a little monkey. Hey,
Yeah,
so far, thanks for making me do this.
you're welcome.
You're uncomfortable. You already know. Really, you're not gonna wait?
Oh, there she goes.
On the way.
Don't worry about it. Are you?
Oh, yay, Clara!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Have no regrets, yeah, I'm tired of my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in death pit. Stabbed in the back bed, I show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you in action.
I did see you did great. I like it. Was it really good?
Did you see all the vines? Like, we're in the freaking jungle. We are. We're in the jungle. Yeah.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you
And it's just me, or it's a little hazy. Like we're in a cloud.
for the things you know you love.
At the bottom we'll go, okay?
No, I can't. That's so poop in here.
Are you gonna poop?
You okay, Lily?
Like digging right in there. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.
I did see you. You guys having fun? And one of them, the big one, didn't even wait for us. She just like we look over and we're like, oh, Lily's gone.
No, they told me not
The
to.
stranger told you to jump off a waterfall, so you did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look where I am now.
So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Remember, go big or go home.
You think it's right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you
I did. You did awesome. Single fast. All right, but the guy said that we can take you like off a little way. It should be interesting. You might have to wipe with a leaf. You don't want to wipe with a leaf?
No.
Why? Wipe with a leaf.
Oh my god, crazy. I tried taking one big jump.
Let's go until la señorita.
All right, come on, Clara. Here, let's give Daddy our gloves. If you want to go to the bathroom sooner, then you have to go in the jungle.
You have to wipe your butt with a leaf.
I do not want to wipe a butt.
Alright, so then we're gonna go to the potty right now. We're heading there right now, okay?
The real potty, not the jungle potty. That is not
What do you think people did before there was potties?
they used to wipe.
Yeah.
Why were you not waiting?
Who's that?
Lily, you're outside. Wait!
Don't scare the monkeys.
What happened?
It's thunder. And something's mad about the thunder.
Oh, that one I think could have been a lot louder. Probably would have felt it. Ah, baños. You know what baños means? Bathroom. Baños. So, how was it?
Well, it's a good time. Get the knees. This one was bleeding.
Oh gosh. Did you have fun, Clara?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Lily? You seem unsure about that.
I don't know, the first part was scary.
It was scary. Are you proud of yourself?
You know what I'm gonna say.
Are you proud of yourself? You tell yourself.
Hi myself. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Are you glad you did it?
I just said yeah.
That's for me.
It's for you.
This is sweet.
I know. This nice. You try to kill me today, and I get you coffee.
Ah, gracias. We are now at Soda El Tornito for dinner. We just ordered in Spanish. Getting good at this. Day 2, I feel a lot better in Spanish. Really liking going to the sodas because it just feels more local and not so touristy. Some of the restaurants we pass are very touristy. This is fantastic. Love it. It's a little family-owned restaurant. It has been raining all day, and we caught a little downtime of the rain and made it here. We walked here from our Airbnb, and now it's pouring again.
You're right.
It is a really cute dog. He just wants food. You don't have food, so he doesn't want you. Oh, here's our food, guys. That's tacos? Where's the tacos? This is a fried pork. And tamal.
Do you eat the green?
No,
I don't think so.
it's just a wrapping to it.
feel like you eat that and go outside. Looks very, very hot.
Yeah, that is hot. So that meal just cost us $26
US dollars.
for 5 things that we all shared. And now it's time for Caliado. Now it's time for ice cream because these girls deserve it. What do you
I
want?
can't have actual bubble gum, so.
That's true if you really want bubble gum.
Mama, how many scoops are these toppings, Mama? I think the purple one. And
Yes, you may.
Tyler,